Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to use thread tools. I will create new part and click start to sketch, choose top plan. We draw a circle in it. I will set 10 millimeter for diameter and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Next I will select at this face, start to sketch. We draw a circle. I will set for diameter into 6. Click finish sketch. Now use the extrude tools to convert into 3D. Click OK. And then to use thread, you need to select for face. In there, I will select at this face. Click thread tools. Now you can see we have this option for thread. You can set for types in it. Use isometrics or NC. Here I will use ISO. Size 6, and you can set for the signation. Like I will set into 6x 0,7. You also can set for offset in this option. Like I will set into 5 for offset, or I will set into 2. And if you're done, you can click OK. So that's it for basic Inventor tutorials, how to use thread tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.